Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a simple yet incredibly useful feature of WhatsApp on your PC. How to star a chat message. This feature allows you to save important messages for quick access later. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. If you haven't already logged in, make sure to scan the QR code from your phone to sync your account. Next, navigate to the chat where the message you want to star is located. Simply click on the conversation to open it. Now scroll through the chat and find the specific message you want to save. Once you've located it, move your mouse over the message and right-click. A menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select the option labeled Star. Once clicked, a small star icon will appear next to the message, indicating that it has been successfully saved. And that's it. You've now starred a message on WhatsApp using your PC. This feature is perfect for keeping track of important information, like addresses, meeting times, or memorable quotes. To view your starred messages later, simply click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner of WhatsApp and select Starred Messages. Here, you'll find all your saved messages neatly organized for easy access. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from learning this feature. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks.